Hi, this is Tom, who can secure your business with Chinese companies. Today, we would like to share with you how to verify the background of a Chinese company when negotiating a cooperation so as to avoid being misled or deceived. Once a dispute arises for non-Chinese companies, the high costs and lengthy litigation process can be extremely burdensome. The most authoritative channel for checking Chinese enterprise information is the National Enterprise Credit Information Publicity System, which is operated by the State Administration for Market Regulation. This platform allows you to search nationwide corporate registration data, annual reports, administrative permits, and administrative penalties. By entering either the company name or its Unified Social Credit Code, you can obtain information including the company name, legal representative, registered capital, date of establishment, business scope, registration authority, and current operating status. As this system is maintained by a government authority, it is highly reliable and is the preferred tool for commercial cooperation and investment decisions. However, since searches must be conducted using the Chinese company name, this requires users to input the name in Chinese. In addition, third-party commercial platforms are also available in the market. However, at present, none of these platforms offer a full English version. Therefore, you still need to know the Chinese name of the company, and in most cases, you must complete account registration before accessing detailed company information. Through the above methods, the following key information can be obtained. Risk avoidance checklist. Quickly identify key risk factors. 1. Basic information verification paid-in capital. Be cautious of companies with highly inflated registered capital, but zero or undisclosed paid-in capital, as this may indicate a lack of real financial strength. Year of establishment. Generally, the longer a company has been established, the more experience it has and the stronger its ability to withstand risks. Registered address. If the actual business address does not match the registered address, potential risks may exist. 1. Risk and compliance information. Abnormal operating status. Companies listed as abnormal due to reasons such as loss of contact at the registered address or failure to submit annual reports should be treated with caution. Administrative penalties. Companies that have been penalized for false advertising, illegal fund raising, or similar violations carry higher risk. Judicial litigation. Pay attention to the number and nature of lawsuits. A large volume of sales and purchase contract disputes, especially where the company is the defendant, may indicate habitual default or potential cash flow problems. 1. Shareholding and corporate governance structure. Shareholder composition. A complex shareholding structure may conceal related party transactions and benefit transfer risks. Equity, pledge, freeze, pledged or frozen equity may affect the stability of the company. 1. Other supporting tools. Third-party platforms. Platforms such as Tianyancha and Chichacha can be used as supplementary tools to review corporate networks and related entities, but attention should be paid to possible data delays. ICP filing inquiry. Through the ICP registration number displayed on the company's official website, you can verify the website registration via the National ICP filing system as a preliminary check of the company's authenticity. The above information can serve as preliminary key data for commercial cooperation. However, if more complex transactions are involved, it is strongly recommended to engage a professional law firm to conduct formal legal due diligence.